Okay, everyone, today we're going to do math, and we're also going to have a fire drill. Mrs. Greatspanks, what is a police car? What is a fire alarm? A fire alarm is when someone pulls the fire alarm switch, and then the fire alarm makes loud noises. Oh no, I believe we're going to die. Hey, police car, you don't tell smack stuff to fire alarms. Okay, everyone, it's now math. Can you stop talking? Sorry. Uh-oh. Fire alarm! I hate fire alarms. Let's go! This is great space. The fire alarm is dangerous. I know, we are outside of the school. Stop it right now or else you're expelled forever. Well, the fire alarm is scary and I don't like fire alarms. Shut up. Why is the fire alarm going to take so long? Because it's going to take so long when it's done. Can you stop? Sorry. The fire alarm is going to end like in 5 seconds. Okay. Let's get in the classroom. Police car, how dare you disrupt the fire alarm? That's it. You're expelled forever. Go home now and think what you just did with your fire alarm suspension. Okay, fine. Wow. Race car, green race car in Sarge. You are the best persons ever. And thank you for not saying stuff like talking smack. That's it? You're not expelled, but we can still do math. But thank you for listening. Police car is going to have his expelled suspension. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day.